Hi guys, this is Jay from Startup HR Software, and today I am going to tell you three amazing features of leave management software. The first feature is easy leave tracking. Within HR software, keeping an eye on an employee attendance and leaves is a breeze. The software does this task automatically so you don't have to worry about it. The second feature, employee benefit. Many leave management systems have a special portal for employees where they can apply for a leave, check how many leaves they have left with, and see the status of their leave request. So no need for constant back and forth with an HR. The third feature, useful reports. The software gives you a detailed report about absenteeism and leave frequency so that you can manage your resources better. So if you are looking for an HR software with amazing leave management system, check out our website startuphrsoftware.com and choose from more than 50 of India's top HR software. Startup HR software आपका लीव मैनेजमेंट फिक्स कर देंगे.